Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reply to a Reddit post using GIFs. So let's take this post for example. If you want to reply to it using a GIF, you can find the comments on the lower left hand side and click on it. Then you want to go ahead and find the comment of your choice that you want to reply to, right? So it could be someone's general comment or you want to basically comment using a GIF. So this section here where it says join the conversation, you can click on it. And here you have gift. You click on the gift and you can just simply go ahead and search for a gift, whatever. So let's say I want to say haha. I can go ahead and type that in. Then I can post it. And then you will see right here that says comment. You can simply click on comment right here. And it's going to go ahead and basically make a post. Now the next thing is that if you find someone's comment that you want to reply to, you can click on the reply button, and again you also have the GIF icon available. You can click in that and search for a GIF, and once you find that GIF you can just add it again and continue typing or just simple comment, and that's pretty much it guys. Very easy and very simple.